Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming what's filling space and acting immediately. Open Gmail storage in your Google account and note the percent and gigabytes used because that guides targets. Next, search for larger messages using operators such as larger, 10M and has, attachment to surface big attachments quickly. Once done, clear spam and trash. These folders continue to count against your quota until permanently removed, so make sure to empty them after scanning for anything you need to keep. Now you'll deal with bulky attachments and threads so storage drops substantially. Use filters like larger, 5M and multi-select to mark many messages at once because batch deletion saves time. If an attachment matters, download it to your computer or to Drive so you don't lose data. This preserves access while freeing Gmail space. Once files are secured, delete the emails and choose Delete Forever or Archive, depending on whether you want them removed entirely or kept without attachments. Finish by ensuring the cleanup registered with Google. Empty trash and then check your account storage summary. Changes can take a few minutes to propagate. If your quota still looks full, remember Gmail shares space with Drive and Photos, so inspect those services for large files or backups and remove duplicates. If deletion seems stuck or the UI won't update, try incognito mode or a different browser and clear cache. This resolves most display sync issues, so you see the correct free space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.